Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Number, how you doing today? This is really a rare, really cool piece. JP Super Lawnmowers were started in England in 1920s, sold through the 1950s. So this is a reverse glass sign. It's using some interesting technology, if you will, to light it up from behind, almost a solar approach. So if I get up closer to it, you can see it's reverse glass. And the way that they're doing this is there is a reflective aluminum foil type of that's catching the sun, and it's helping light the sign. So if you are into lawnmowers in general or want something really cool, very different from what we offer, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.